Hi, my name is Miguel Trejo, and we're here to talk about nanobots. But first, we're going to introduce to you about nanotechnology. I have a friend here who will be able to explain the subject to you.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Sabri, and today I'm going to explain to you what nanotechnology is. First and foremost, what is nano? Is it as small as this tie? Well, if you look at further in the tie, there's a bit of details. Nanobots are a lot smaller than this. How small can they be? Well, it's a billionth of a meter, 10 to the power of -9 meters.
Back then, our computers used to be the size of a room, but now they're getting smaller and smaller and can fit into our pockets, kind of like our smartphones. Nanotechnology is the next level.
So why does something so small pack a big punch?
Well, I'm glad you asked. See, small things can be compared to how scorpions are in nature. With scorpions, the smaller they are, the deadlier their poison. Well, the same thing can be said about nanotechnology, with how we can make our transistors smaller and smaller and smaller to add more power output, make them work faster, and also use less material. So now that you know about nanotechnology, now how do we apply it to robots?
Well, nanobots can be programmed to perform specific functions or tasks. So in this context, nanobots can be used to treat terminal illnesses such as cancer, genetic diseases, or viruses, such as COVID. We can use nanobots to locate the unhealthy cancer cells and eliminate it as compared to chemotherapy. Furthermore, we can use nanobots to treat genetic diseases, so we can use this process to get rid of unhealthy genetic components. What are the advantages of nanobots? Well, nanobots are significantly less invasive, as it leads to faster recovery, less damage to tissue, has a higher success rate, and you can use nanobots to continuously monitor and diagnose from the inside of your body. Last but not least, it does not interfere with the vital organs, as it's very small to the nanoscale.
Miguel, would you explain to me, how does it look like from the inside of the patient's brain?
Well, good question. We can imagine this forest is inside the patient's brain, and this rock right here is the tumor. Now we can program nanobots to go directly towards this tumor because of its genetic code and to deliver the drugs to it, only affecting the tumor while the remaining healthy cells are intact. And with that, you know a little bit more about the future.
Hello? You have to erase the memory.
Well, we'll see you in the future.